Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to assign tasks from WhatsApp group in your Hive dashboard. Okay, because a lot of we guys use WhatsApp for day-to-day communication, right? So we have to assign it from WhatsApp itself, from normal WhatsApp. Okay, using What's Boost. So as you can see, this is my dashboard, Hive dashboard. Okay, this is my group in which I'm going to assign. So let's assume I have said assign Rahul a new client for custom requirements, right? So this is the message. Now assign is a keyword. Okay, it will not assign every message, otherwise it will be a mess, right? So assign is a keyword. So as soon as assign comes, it will fetch the message from where? From What's Boost, because we have connected WhatsApp, right? There's a feature called WhatsApp group listener. So in this group listener, we have assigned in this group, like assign is a keyword, and send this data to webhook using this sheet. This sheet is a storage which captures time, name, number, conversation, and assigned to employee and sent to Hive. So this is a basically you can say a storage for all the workings logs, you can say. Okay, as soon as new lead comes or new tasks come, right, now it will automatically takes the message from Rahul is the employee. It will assign the Rahul from the message itself. Okay, and then send the this whole conversation to Hive. Let's check in the assign a new client for custom requirement. As you can see, assign a new client for custom requirement. This was the message. So this is the whole concept, and that's how we have created it. And you can do a lot more from WhatsApp itself, and we will enable you to do it, and we will help you to do it. And all the best. Thank you for seeing this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.